With Sugar Royal, you ensure the best taste of your end product. Sugar Royal stimulates photosynthesis in your plants. Through this process, plants create sugars. This way, Sugar Royal makes your end products taste sweeter. By using Sugar Royal, you also trigger the plant's stress response. This will make it focus on surviving. As a result, flowers, seeds, and fruits are formed quicker. With Sugar Royal, you speed up the absorption of nutrients that are difficult to absorb, like calcium. Sugar Royal is used in combination with a basic nutrient. First, you add a basic nutrient to your water, followed by Sugar Royal. Make sure the bottle is shaken well. Then add 10 milliliters of Sugar Royal to 10 liters of water. We recommend using Sugar Royal each time you water your plants, starting from the second week of the growth phase. Sugar Royal is one of our universal products, meaning it can be used with any substrate and basic nutrient. Plagron, support your growth. #pass it on. Got any questions? Make sure to check out our social media channels